students. Welcome to online classes. Now we are talking about Unit 10, haloalkanes and haloarenes. Now, chemical reaction topic is running. Reactions of haloalkanes, how the haloalkanes takes place in chemical reaction. Really, haloalkanes take place in a chemical reaction and expressing three type of reaction. First one, action with न्यूक्लियोफिलिक रिएजेंट्स. न्यूक्लियोफिलिक रिएजेंट्स क्या होते हैं? जो एक न्यूक्लियोफाइल जैसे Cl माइनस जो लगा हुआ है वो न्यूक्लियोफाइल है. जब वो न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन जब करेंगे आप, ये पहला पॉइंट है आपका न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन. तो न्यूक्लियोफिलिक सब्स्टिट्यूशन का मतलब Cl माइनस को दूसरा कोई नेगेटिव चार्ज ही रेडिकल, जिसको आप एनायन कहते हैं, सच एनायन इज आल्सो कॉल्ड एज carb anion, which is obtained by heterolytic fission of attacking reagent. Now, first one, the nucleophilic substitution reaction. First point, action with NaOH or KOH. NaOH or KOH when dissolving in water. NaOH or KOH when dissolving in water. Then it is called as aqueous solution of sodium hydroxide or sodium aqueous solution of potassium hydroxide. Alkyl halides when treated with NaOH or KOH, which is dissolved in aqueous. Aqueous means water. In short, you express as AQ. AQ means aqueous. AQUOUS. Aqueous means water. Jal. Then the reaction held between haloalkane and NaOH and X, that is halogen, is substituted by OH group and corresponding alcohols are obtained. X is equal to Cl, X is equal to Cl, Br or I, any halogen. At the place of X, if you put forth Cl, NaCl is obtained. What is R? You know well that any alkyl group, such as CH3Cl plus NaOH, the compound formed is CH3OH plus NaCl. R express any alcohol, any alkyl halide. CHR at the place of R you can put forth CH3, C2H5, C3H7, C4H9 and so on. And at the place of X you can put forth ClBr or I. Haloalkanes when treated with aqueous NaOH, corresponding alcohols are obtained. बहुत ही इंपॉर्टेंट पॉइंट यहाँ पर ध्यान देने की है कि अगर ये एक्वस नहीं होगा, अगर ये एल्कोहल में डिजॉल्व किया जाए NaOH या KOH, तो ये रिएक्शन नहीं होगा. तो आपको उस समय एलिमिनेशन रिएक्शन का क्या मतलब होता है? ये एल्किल हैलाइड से जो एल्किल लगा है उस एल्किल से भी एक हाइड्रोजन बाहर निकल जाएगा. Resulting corresponding alkenes are obtained, not alcohol. So it must be memorized by each student that NaOH or KOH must be dissolved in water for nucleophilic substitution reaction. Okay? Any problem? As I think so, there will be no problem at all. Now the next one. Next reagent. If NaOR or KOR It is called as sodium alk oxide. Sodium alk oxide or potassium alk oxide is taken as a reagent. Then similarly, the reaction held as this one. NaX as a byproduct, and at the place of alcohol you will obtain ethyl, ROR or ROR dash. It may be similar or dissimilar also. अगर ये CH3 है तो ये CH3 ही हो सकता है, या ये इसके स्थान पर C2H5 भी हो सकता है. ये सोडियम एल्काक्साइड कहलाता है. सोडियम एल्काक्साइड को जब आप एल्किल हाइड्राइड के साथ गर्म करते हैं तो करस्पॉन्डिंग ईथर ऑब्टेन होता है. ये ईथर कहलाता है. ROR को ईथर कहते हैं आप. एल्काक्सी एल्केन. Similarly, you put forth here CH3 at the place of R. CH3 at the place of R. Or C2H5 you can also put here. Then the product will be CH3O CH3. CH3O CH3 means methoxymethane or dimethyl ether. Dimethyl ether. Now, next reagent. If alkyl halides are treated with NH2, that is NH3, action with NH3. NH3 in NH3, NH2 minus and H plus, two reagents are present. Now the product will be RNH2, means corresponding amine, and byproduct is HX. Similarly, you can write it in this form also. It is CH3NH2 methanamine plus HCl. Corresponding amines are obtained. To express this language of such reaction, that alkyl halides when treated with ammonia, corresponding amines are obtained, such as chloromethane or methyl chloride when treated with ammonia, NH3, is expressed as HNH2. Then CH3NH2, methanamine or methylamine is obtained. Any problem? These are the nucleophilic substitution reaction. Some of the important reactions I am expressing here, such as action with KCN. When alkyl halides are treated with KCN, potassium cyanide, then reaction held as KX and RCl. RCN plus KX. It is called as cyanoalkane. Now you well know, it is well known that R is any alkyl there is no problem. That may be CH3, C2H5 or C3H7. When alkyl halide is treated with KCM, cyanoalkane is obtained. Corresponding cyanoalkane is obtained. Another important reaction, when at the place of KCN, AgCN is taken as reagent. This is the most important reaction, action with AgCN. Then the product obtained RNC, not RCN, plus AgX. It is called as alkyl isocyanide. It is a point of discussion that why alkyl halide when reacts with KCN, then RCN is obtained, while alkyl halide is treated with AgCN, then RNC is obtained. Just it is the what is the reason? Really, KCN is predominantly ionic and provides Cn minus ion in solution. Although both carbon and nitrogen atoms are in a position to donate electron pair, the attack takes place mainly through carbon atom and not through nitrogen atom. Since carbon-carbon bond is more stable than Cn bond, however, AgCN is mainly covalent in nature. AgCN is covalent in nature and nitrogen is free to donate electron pair forming isocyanide as the main product. This is the basic reason that AgCN is covalent while KCN is ionic. Resulting it forms Cn minus, C minus ion, इसमें आप कार्बन पे नेगेटिव चार्ज देखेंगे और AgCN ये कोवैलेंट होता है इसलिए नाइट्रोजन पर नेगेटिव चार्ज क्रिएट होता है. Due to such reason, when alkyl halide is treated with KCN, RCN is obtained, while alkyl halide is treated with AgCN, then RNC, alkyl isocyanide is obtained. Only one reason, that KCN is purely ionic and AgCN is covalent in nature, resulting the products are differing from one another. While in first prima facie you will find that both are similar, but it is necessary that your attention must be paid on such reaction that when KCN is used as a reagent, corresponding RCN is obtained, while when AgCN is used as a reagent, then RNC is obtained. Any problem? As I think so, there will be no problem at all. And further reactions I will tell you in next period. Thank you. Thank you very much. See you again.